Imagine a bird that doesn't hunt fresh meat but survives mostly entirely on bones. This is the bearded vulture, also known as the lamigia, one of the strangest and most misunderstood birds on earth. Found high in the mountains of Africa, Europe, and Asia, this massive bird can grow a wingspan of nearly 3 meters, allowing it to glide effortlessly over cliffs and valleys. But what truly sets it apart is its diet. While most vultures fight over flesh, the bearded vulture waits. When the meat is gone, it takes what others leave behind, which is the bones. And here is where things get unbelievable. When a bone is too large to swallow, the bearded vulture carries it high into the sky, then drops it onto rocks below, shattering it into smaller pieces. It repeats this again and again until the bone breaks open. Exposing the nutritious marrow inside. And up to 90% comes from bone marrow alone. Up to 90% of its diet comes from bone marrow alone, making it the only bird in the world that lives mostly on bones. Its powerful stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve bone in less than a day. Subscribe to this channel.